Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to set up animated Bongocat overlay in OBS. So let's get started. So if you want to add this overlay in your OBS, to do that what you have to do is first open up your browser, and after opening up your browser you can just simply search for Bongocat plugin, and after searching for that you can just simply tap on this Bongocat plugin 0.2.0.1, and after tapping on that it will take you to this website. So you can just simply do that, or you will find the link in my description. What you can do is just simply tap on it and it will take you to this page. And after coming up to this page from here, you can just simply tap on download, and after tapping on download now it will start downloading. So after completing the installation process, now you'll find the file which has been downloaded. What you have to do is just simply extract it and then tap on extract and then extract it. And after extracting this file, what you have to do is just simply copy it. And after copying it, now you just have to tap on local disk C. And from here, you just have to tap on program files. And inside your program files, you will find OBS. And after tapping on OBS Studio, from here, you just have to paste it. Just tap on continue and then paste the file, and after pasting it now you have successfully added the plugin. And after adding it, now what you have to do is just simply close your OBS Studio. Make sure that you have refreshed your OBS Studio. So simply close it and then again open it. So after adding your plugin, now what you have to do is just simply open up your OBS Studio, and from here you will find your sources. Here you just have to right click and then tap on add, and you will find Bongocat. What you have to do is just simply tap on it, and after tapping on it, now just simply name it and then tap on OK. And after tapping on OK here, you can see guys, you have successfully added the Bongocat. Now if I'll just simply type in anything, it will also type it. If I'll just move my mouse, it will also move its mouse. So you can just do that. You can add some other features like relative mouse movement. You can also add use mask. So you will find a mask. What you can do is you can just simply use it. So this kind of mask. You can also increase the speed. You can decrease the speed if you want, and you can just simply go ahead and then play with these options. After doing that, just simply tap on OK, and after tapping on OK, this cat will be added. So now you will add this cat in your OBS Studio. What you have to do is just simply go ahead and then resize it and just make sure that it's on your screen. After doing that, here you can see guys, it has been added. Now if you just go ahead and play a game or do anything, it will be displayed on your live stream. So that's it guys, this is how to set up animated Bongocat overlay in OBS. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.